Chief, most of the international students are coming and settling in Peel region. And they are, by the way, I mean, great contributor to the economy, no question about that. Most of them, they are coming here and working hard, contributing in the workforce also. But off and on, during the last 3, 4, 5 years, we are facing lots of challenges regarding these young people who are coming. Maybe they are not well aware of the culture here, the law enforcement agencies, work culture here. So people, many a times we get calls or videos or, so they say that should there be some kind of orientation back home for these guys, or when they land here, how to cross the road, what are the those things they must know when they're settling here. So many of times we see they are breaking the laws. Maybe they are not much aware of this. Then they are in trouble. And in Brampton area particularly, we are seeing this again and again and again. Is this being brought to your notice? Are you well aware of that? And what police is thinking to deal with these things?
Yeah, thank you. That's a great question. And you're absolutely right. If we don't, upon arrival, provide them the supports, resources, knowledge, and understanding, they are going to find themselves in, as I use, in vulnerable positions. They either will make bad decisions, or they're going to be exploited, right? And we know that that's possible. The solution is that I think historically, people have been doing things in little pieces. For example, I think the educational institutions, especially the big ones, are doing a great job. But we also know there are a lot of smaller ones. But for example, what needs to happen is a coordinated effort upon arrival, so that, for example, the city, the region, the schools, the police,
even federal government, provincial government, they all should work together.
That's right. The issues we're seeing are, road safety. They have an income, they have dollars, they're able to buy a vehicle, but then, there are tragic circumstances. The living conditions, being exploited by labor, not knowing, and rent, and the landlord-tenant issues. Even not understanding the laws of the land.
The laws, unacceptable.
So one of the things that we are proposing at the regional level, and I know the cities are also involved, is a coordinated multi-sector plan to support international students. We want to make sure that it's informed by the international students. Like I said to you earlier, we don't want to prescribe it, but find ways within the city and the region to bring all the entities together so we can coordinate it. That, I don't think, has been done at a macro level internationally, even nationally. And our goal is here, and police have to be a part of it, although we can't be responsible for all of it. We definitely have to be there and educate. So one of the things that we're proposing is information session for newcomers. Because many people don't know, if I call 911, do I have to pay? Will I be in trouble? Can I call for help?
When you have to call actual 911?
That's right. Do they know that we have over 50 languages of officers that can speak? We can have a Punjabi, Urdu, Tamil. We can have anybody come. We can do this, and we can help navigate it, because we're also partnering with our settlement services agencies, the legal aid support. So what happened before was everybody was doing it by themselves, but not together. And I think I can say with certainty here in Peel region, there has been, especially in this last year, some coordinated activities to bring everybody together. The next level is to have a supported strategy to do that. And that, to me, I think is the solution. Until the strategy is in place and it is resourced, as you said, federally, provincially, municipally, it won't be sustainable. And I think there's an opportunity here for Brampton, Peel region, to actually model a way of how it's being done, because then transferable to Surrey.
Others, yes.
It's transferable to New York City.
All others.
Yeah,
the
that's
cities
right,
where we're
yeah,
settling down. Yes.